Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be talking about a bunch of Black Friday deals right here. So a lot, by a lot I mean a lot. I've been searching for the deals for you guys. So if you're in the market for power stations, generator, um, electronic stuff, make sure you guys watch the video to the end because there's a lot of deals going on right now, right? All right, let's kick off with the first deal that we have here. So this is the Ecoflow Delta Pro 3 portable power station. So we're gonna take a look at the pictures, and then as you can see, check out the reviews and the price and what the saving is, right? So this is the for some reason Ecoflow skipped the Delta 2 or the Delta Pro 2. They go from Delta Pro and then just do one to the 3. So this one is you see that it's a 4,996 watt hours lithium batteries, which means you can use for this more than 10 years and you still have like 80% of it afterwards. And it says expandable to 48 kilowatt hours, which is awesome. And this one works on 120 and 240 volts. So basically, if you have this one, you can actually charge your Tesla with it. And 4,000 watts of AC output, which is great. And solar generated for home use, camping accessory, emergency, and power outages and RV. So this is great. So in my opinion, like every house should have one of these because if there's an outage, power outage, you can have this to back up your fridge or your special equipment like your phone and your routers, stuff like that. And the regular price for this one is $2,959, and now you get 20% off, as you can see from there. And take a look. See this, like I was mentioning. So they use this one to there's a power outage. They use this one to power the fridge because you don't want your food to go run, right? And the fact that it has wheels on there, so this is very portable. You can drag it, take it with you anywhere. In this case, they use this for the night lamp, and you can see here 4 kilowatt hours, 8 kilowatt, and no, if you're on a budget, you can just start up with one, and then you can add on as many as you like, down up to 48 later. And you can see the real rate, the review. There's like 4.4 out of 5 with the 101 rating. So this is fairly new. So the ratings hasn't been accumulated yet, but yeah, this is awesome. And they also sell it in the package as well with the 400 watts of the solar panels. You can get that, or you can get even 3. So these are probably like the foldable panels. Yeah, these are the foldable ones. So and then just you can just stick this out in the sun somewhere where the sun's, it can capture the power, and then just you can move it. Really nice, really neat. So let's move on to the next one. All right, next one is this is the Apple 2004 Mac Mini desktop computer with the M4 chips with 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU built for Apple Intelligence. So this is a new one. So right now Apple is hitting hard on the AI right now with their latest iPhone 16. So, but we haven't seen much so far with the artificial intelligence. But I think the road is they want to be ready and they want to be the first one, right? This one does come with 512 gigabyte of SSD storage, gigabit Ethernet, works with iPhone and iPad as well too. So you can see how tiny this thing is, very small, but it's very powerful. So I'm an iPhone fan, but I'm not an Apple computer and mini stuff like that. I use the iPad, to edit my video, but mainly I use the desktop. So, and here it does come with different configurations. So depending on whichever your needs are, you can just pick whatever ones you like. I can see, and if you like Apple Care, you can also get it with Apple Care as well too. So the price for this one is $969.99, and now there's like $80 coupons on it. So knocked it down quite some bit there. Right, the review is awesome, 4.6 out of 5, and since this is new, it's fair. It only has 69 rating so far, right? So not bad. Okay, it is another Ecoflow. So this one is more like a less powerful. This is only has 1,024 watt hours, and this is a Delta 2. All right, so it's very portable, and as you can see, right, it has 1,800 watts for the AC, and it has 100 watts USB Type C solar generator. So again, solar panel optional, meaning that you can buy the solar panels if you wish to do so. And this is for like backup power, camping, and RV. So this one it's not that beefy. So just maybe just for like a short amount of time outage, you know what I mean? Because it only has 1,024 watt hours. But for the deal, you can't go wrong. I really don't believe on the list price for this one is $999, because it's I don't think anybody would buy it at that price. But for $400, this is not bad of a deal, right? And you can see here, it says the life expectancy is like like 10 years and 5 years of service. So another, this one has a 5-year warranty, and it has a like emergency power supply, BMS, LFP. And this one you can also expand it as well with this type of the Delta Max extra battery and the Delta Max over there, Delta 2 Max. So you can expand it as well too. As you can see, this one's stacked on top of one another. Not bad. And here, these are the solar panels that you can buy with this. And if you get the solar panels, then it's gonna be like $1,039. Moving on to the next one. So Jackery is another well-known company out there, pretty much like similar to Ecoflow, and they're very competitive as well too. And this one right here, you can see that this one is Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 portable power station. This is the newer model, and it has 1,070 watt hours, a little bit more than the Ecoflow. And it is the new type of batteries, and it has 1,500 watts of AC output, and again 100 watt of USB Type C. So these ones right here usually for emergency. You can use this to charge your iPad, your tablets, your phone, right? And it does like solar generator for outdoor camping, emergency, RV, and off-grid living. And this one is 4.5 out of 5 ratings, 561, and it's rated as the #1 bestseller in outdoor generators. 20,000 people bought it in the past month. We only got 561 rating. So $399, and now you can get there's a $50 coupons you can apply, so bring it down to what, $350. I mean, $350. I think this is a buy. The sales for this type of power station portable has been dropping tremendously. But in that price range, I think it's a buy. Everybody should have one at home, just in case. Nowadays, you never know, you're gonna get a power outage, right? This one is just comparable to the one I just previously did with the Delta 2 for Ecoflow. All right, so let's say that if you don't like any power station, solar stuff like that, you can also go with the traditional one, right? This is the gas power station. This is made by WEN. The model number is 56225I, and this one is a 2,250 watts gas power portable inverter generator with fuel shut off and carb compliance. Regular price for this is $549, and currently you can get 32% off, bringing the total down to $375. This one, it has 4.5 out of 5 review, which is great. And you can see the rating. This is like almost 5,000 reviews, so this product is killing it. It's nice, right? It's small, portable, beautiful. I've never used any of these, so I wouldn't know. But if you're an expert out there, and if you need a gas generator, you can buy this, and they do have different types, different package as well too. Lower options here, right? Next one, wise camera. So this is the V4, and it's 2.5K resolutions, HD, Wi-Fi, smart home security, indoor, outdoor pet, baby monitor, motion activities, spotlight, siren, color, night vision, two-way audio, works with Alexa and Google. It's wired, colors white. So this one, the regular price is about $35, and right now you can get it for $19.98. And this one does come with a different type of color, black, gray, and white. So this is a newer version. So what I have around my house is have the version 1, the version 2, and I have the version 3. In my opinion, the version 3 is so far is the best. But this one looks like it's a lot smaller than the version 3. It looks like it's weatherproof as well too, weather resistant. So if you're on a budget, or you know what I mean, Wise camera, it's a no-brainer. By the way, this is not sponsored by any of the seller, the merchant, anything like that. However, I will have an affiliate account with Amazon, so anything that you buy through the link, it does help out the channel somewhat. I do get a little bit of commissions, right? So this one, as you can see, not bad. I have like, I would say at least 10 cameras around my house. And I do test out cameras as well too, with many other brands too. But as far as Wise, they're friendly, budget, easy to use, and so far I think I only had one that failed. Excuse me, I'm getting a little sick here. But yeah, let's move on to another one. All right, so TV screens, TVs, awesome. So if you're in a market for a big screen, this is a Hisense here, a 100-inch class U8 series mini LED ULED 4K. Google Smart TV. This one, it's you name it, 480 motion rates, 144 game mode pro, Dolby Visions, all kind of the goody, HDMI 2.1 Alexa compatibility, and 2.1.2 multi audio. This one, the regular price is $5,000, and now you get it for $2,799. And the review for this one is not bad at all. It's 4.3 out of 5, and with 615's rating, which is not bad. So if you have a large living room, you know, this would be great to have. You can put in there, you can watch all the sports you like. Nice. All right. Or if you want a smaller TV, you know, 65-inch is more suitable for all of us. Right, so you can go with this LG C3 series 65-inch class OLED Evo 4K processor smart flat screen TV for gaming and Magic Remote AI power. This one is a 2023 build, and it has Alexa's built in as well too. Regular price for this is $1,500, and now you get it for $1,196, which is not bad at all. The rating for this is awesome. It's 4.5 out of 5. With 1,600 reviews, which is awesome. So you can't go wrong with LG, especially the TVs are well known, pictures really nice. And again, for 1,100, really good deal. Another Wise camera. So this one is the doorbell. So right now I'm using Ring as well too, and then I have a Wise, and I have like another Vizio. Not Vizio, yes. There's another brand that I can't really pronounce it, but yeah, there are good cameras out there. But this one is for the door, so maybe when my Ring camera stop working, I'm probably gonna replace it with this Wise camera here. So this one, it's a Wise Video Doorbell V2 wired. Don't get scared by when I say wired. Usually with this doorbell camera, they're low voltage, and there's only like 2 wires, and then the 2 wires you can it doesn't matter which way you install it. So very easy to install. 2-way video, color night vision, works with the existing chime and IP65 weather resistance, and compatible with Alexa and Google as well too, which is awesome. But the rating for this one is not as good. It's only 3.7 out of 5, but it does have a lot of reviews on the 1200. So regular price for this is about $45, and now you can get it like for $29. All right. So yeah, if you're in the market for a Wise camera doorbell, it's an awesome deal. $30. Can't go wrong with it. All right. The next one we have is the Amazon Basics 2-piece hard side spindle suitcase. So I'm planning to travel soon, so that's why I was in the market to looking for suitcases. And this one, I don't know if the suggested price MSRP is like $171. But, you know, $128, you get 2 of these, and the review is awesome, 4.6 out of 5, and with over 3,700 reviews, I think maybe this one is a buy. So, yeah, so if you're traveling soon, you need suitcases, look into this one. There's a lot of goodies here. For $128, you get 2 of them. All right, next one we have is the This is the water dispenser. I bought one, I think maybe close to 2 years ago from Amazon too, but I'm not sure it was this brand. I forgot what brand it was, but it's been working well. So if you're in the market for the water dispenser, Amazon has one for you. Regular price for this is about 200. So 200 sounds about right. Because when I remember when I went to Home Depot to check out, they're in about $250, right? And this one, you can see the review is 4.3 out of 5, and with over 8,000 reviews, which is awesome. So people are buying this, and they love this. So this is the Brio bottom loading water cooler dispensers for the 5-gallon bottle, and it has 3 temperature with hot room and cold spouts. Child safety locked LED display with the empty bottle alert and the stainless steel. So basically, bottom loading, it's you load it from here. Because back in the days, they had it, you had to lift the bottle and you dump it upside down into here, right? So genius to the people that come up with this design, the bottom loading, because it helps out a lot. Okay, here you can see how would you load it right there. And as you get older, you're not going to be able to be as strong as you used to be to load the 5 gallons on the top. So it makes lives easier for us. So for $139, this one is a no-brainer. And if you need one, go ahead and grab one. The next one we have is this a Canon camera. This is the EOS R100 mirrorless camera, RF S18-45 millimeter, right? So I love Canon, I tell you. I bought my first Canon back in maybe 13 years ago, the R2i, like for $900 plus tax and something close to maybe $1,000, right? And it's been working well. It's nice camera, and it was made in Japan. I don't know where this one is made, but for the Canon brand, they've been in the industry, in the business, they know what they're doing, and they're reliable. I haven't done any maintenance to the camera, and it's still working perfectly. And you can see the review here for 4.4 out of 5 with 363 rating. So you're getting about 42% off with this camera right here, $349. This is a Black Friday deal. So some of the deals that might require you to be a Prime member, if you looked under the my descriptions, there's a link for you to become a Prime member, right? And at a discounted price. You can do for maybe about a week. And if after a week is not for you, you can also cancel it as well too. But check this out, really nice camera. All right, last but not least, if you're in the market for the Apple Watch Ultra 2, so this is the one that I've been looking at. I have the version 3, like the 3 is the Series 3, which is like back in the days. I don't know. It's really old, but with any Apple product, it's still working. So that's why I'm not buying a new one, because why would I want to buy a new one? The old one's still working fine. But as soon as my Series 3 titanium or stainless, whatever, breaks down, I'm probably gonna go for the Ultra. So this is the Apple Watch Ultra 2. So GPS plus cellular, 49 millimeter smartwatch with rugged titanium case and wide ocean band one size. Fitness tracker, position GPS, action button, extra long battery life. This one, the regular price $800, and now you can get it for $699. And there's also $80 coupon code that you can apply, making this more sweeter buy. So as you can see, the Ultra, you can't go wrong with it. It looks beautiful, and the screen size, everything, different color bands. Really nice. So it has an action button, so you can use that action button to open the trunk or the front of your Tesla if you have a Tesla, And yeah, so lowest price in the past 30 days, and the rating for this one is 4.7 out of 5, which almost with over 900 reviews. Excellent buy. So, all right, guys. So if you watched to the end, thank you very much. Once again, these are all like Black Friday sale. So if you want to get it for your significant other, your wife, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your husband, your mom, your dad, whoever, jump on the deals. Once again, if you buy through my my associated links, I do get a little bit of commissions, and that's one way that you can help with the channel. But other than that, happy Thanksgiving. Eat a lot, stay healthy, be safe. Till next time.